Hi, it's Lisa Nolan from Aslan Coaching.
And Maria Macklin from House of Colour.
Are you responsible for learning and development at your company? What if you could offer your teams a workshop which combines feeling good on the inside with looking good on the outside? We have collaborated to create a workshop exploring the importance of discovering who you are on the inside and matching that with how you look on the outside. This is the first workshop of its kind in Ireland.
The workshop is destined to become part of an overall wellbeing programme. These programmes have recently become a necessary part of many workplaces and are proven to ensure happy people with higher productivity, resulting in increases to the bottom line.
From me, teams will learn the importance of being able to access their best selves every day. They will discover that harnessing resilience will allow them to thrive rather than just survive. Being able to practice and understand how to use their leadership skills when they need them is key to unlocking their potential.
We live in a culture where how you look matters. I will show workshop participants that when they connect their clothes to who they are on the inside, they will do things differently. Their confidence will soar and they will also be perceived differently. I will talk about personal brand and impact. It is important to have a consistent personal brand to build trust with those around you. Confidence isn't walking into a room thinking you are better than everyone. It's walking in, not having to compare yourself to anyone at all. We bring our clients on a journey following which they are equipped to tackle whatever life throws their way every day.
The workshops will be delivered in 2 hours, although we can deliver a shorter 1 hour version. So you can contact either of us to inquire about the workshops at lisa@aslancoaching.ie or maria.macklin@houseofcolour.com. So please do contact us if you have any questions at all. We look forward to helping your team members develop their confidence inside and out.